Welcome. In part 2 of the video, I have already obtained the username and password credentials. Now I'm going to run Metasploit to deploy the WAR file, and the WAR file is the web application archive file, and is a compressed file format used to package web application in Java. It stands for Web Application Resources and commonly used for deploying web application on servers like Apache Tomcat. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the Tomcat Manager deploy to carry on the attack and gain a Metasploitable shell. So I'm going to search for Tomcat deploy, and I'm going to see the exploit multi HTTP Tomcat Manager deploy. So I'm going to say use 0. I need some space in there. And once I do that, I'm going to show options to see what are the parameters needed. So I found the username and password, even though it's not required, but I placed it in there because I've already discovered the username and password. I got the IP address of the remote machine running the Tomcat server, and Tomcat is running on port 8080, and this was established from running Nmap to scan the target. The localhost is here, and the localhost is 444. And you can always use the set command followed by the name and followed by, so if I wanted to set the HTTP password, I'll do HTTP password, and then I will type the admin to set it. But I've already done this. Now once I have all of these things in there, and I will have to set I already have my payload set. Yeah, so if you want to set your payload, you always say set payload. So payload, and then followed by the Java is a Java application. So Meterpreter, and I want to create a reverse TCP connection. Okay, and then press the enter key. Oh, I got it wrong, so it's P rather. Sorry for the typo, and it's in there. Now all I have to do is I want to show options in here to see what I got in there. So you see that everything looks good. So I'm gonna fire run, and I should gain a Meterpreter shell into that Tomcat server. So if I do an IP add in there, let me do a help in there, and these are all the commands that you can use in Meterpreter. Okay, so if you want to list the directory, you want to make directory, you want to check your path where you are in the system, you will see that you find yourself in Tomcat, and this target is running a Tomcat 6. So there are a lot of things you want to do. You can do a lot of things with now that you have established a Meterpreter shell. So I'd like to give a shout out to the folks that wrote the Hands-on Hacking Text. Is a really good book, and even though it came out in 2020, but it's a really good book. The author took the time to kind of go through the book. All right, so I'm gonna stop here, and if you want to learn about Meterpreter, the commands and how to do that, take screenshot. Uh, you can go to the Rapid7 website and check out uh, the resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.